Megamastax amblyodus, which translates to blunt-toothed big mouth, was a species of lobe-finned fish that lived during the late Silurian, around 423 million years ago. Its remains, which are rather fragmentary, consisting only of a semi-complete lower jaw, have been found in the Kuanti Formation in China. It is currently the largest known vertebrate of its time period, estimated at a whopping 1 meter long. Rounded coronoid teeth suggest that this early vertebrate apex predator fed mainly on hard-shelled prey which, between the various mollusks, trilobites, brachiopods, jawless fish and early placoderms, existed in abundance.